Hi guys, so I just picked up my order from Temu, and this is me doing an unboxing video so that you can see what I ordered from Temu. Although I already opened it out of curiosity, but then I think the only issue I had with this order was the logistic company that Temu used to process their orders. Speed up. Speed up. How many times did I call you guys? Please work on your customer service, work on your WhatsApp lines, work on your emails, work on your calls. Why can't I reach people anywhere? Social media no response, WhatsApp no response, email no response, calls nobody is picking. What kind of service is that? I had to look for their location in my city. I went there and I picked up my order. Please tell me, use another company or tell them to work on their services. Please, it's very, very important. Okay, so this is the order I placed on Temu. And people were telling me, are you sure you're not about to throw away your money? But I'm glad I didn't throw away my money. So let's unpack this and see what we have inside. All right, the most exciting thing I have here is, don't worry, we'll talk about that later. I saw this really cute wristwatches, leather wristwatches, and I decided to buy them. I really don't know what it looks like, but let's see. I'll be putting the picture of what I ordered on the screen. Hey, why is it so tiny? God, I beg. Ooh. Oh my god, this is really, this looks like children's wristwatch. Can I wear this? This is so small. My hand is here now. Let me test it. As well. Please ignore the noise in the background. I don't have a mic. That's why I ordered a mic. Okay. It's not that bad. It's just tiny and cute. Does it work? I really hope it works. So I ordered this in two colors, black and brown. This is the brown. This is the brown. Okay, this is the black, and this is the brown. I'll say it's okay, but the leather is so flat and light. Well, what do you expect? All right, let's check the next thing on the list. So I ordered the azelaic acid cream, and it came in 2 packs. Skincare guys, you know now, azelaic acid really works for pimples, and I'm so glad this is so affordable. I bought azelaic acid, like the last one I used was almost 2 times, if not 3 times, the price of this two now that I just bought. So I really think Temu is a good place to get skincare products at affordable prices. And then I got this niacinamide serum. Niacinamide helps with hyperpigmentation and dark spots. And look at it, it arrived. And it's quite affordable, guys. I love it. But I still want to get to the most important parts, and I haven't gotten there yet. So this is it. Wireless microphone. I'm super excited about this one. I need a mic, and I ordered this mic. I'm going to test it and see if it works. I have to test it and see if it works, because man, I'm super excited about this microphone, because I need a mic. I've needed a mic for the longest time. Okay, let's see what it looks like inside, and let us see, most importantly, if it works. So this is the wireless microphone. Oh my god. How do I open it? This is it. The magnet, it has magnet, and it also has a clip that you can use and clip it to your clothes. And this is the port. Is there no iPhone port? Oh my god. So I was given a Type-C microphone, but the good thing is that I had a spare Type-C to iPhone cord at home. So I connected it and it actually worked. So in all, I would rate my order from Temu a solid 8/10.
everything was what I ordered, and it looks really good.
If you want to place an order from Temu, this is me saying go ahead. They are legit. Just make sure you read the descriptions very well before you place your order. And I'll be putting a link to order from Temu in the description of this video. You can click on it. So thank you for watching, guys. Please share, subscribe, and like this video. I love you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.